Hi guys, today I'm unboxing my latest Nika haul. It's a mix of restock and I'm really excited for the new purchases. The sale has been extended, so go grab these amazing deals. Starting with skincare. I purchased my trustworthy face wash. It's simple, refreshing face wash. I restocked it multiple times. It's an amazing face wash. It's affordable and it has gel-like consistency. It's suitable for all skin types. The only con is that it doesn't come with a seal. Next, moving on to minimalist SPF 50 sunscreen with niacinamide. I have restocked it multiple times. I love this brand. I love the fact that it comes with a seal. Both the outer and the inner packaging comes with a seal. It's an amazing SPF. They say that it's suitable for all skin types, but I feel like oily skin people might not like it during the humid weather. It's creamy and light formula. However, it is not as light as the recent launches from the market. It doesn't leave you white cast. It's not waterproof. Sometimes it piles up. Moving to the next purchase, it's Fixed Derma Shadow SPF 50 Gel Blaze Sunscreen. It's a new purchase for me. There's no seal on the outer packaging, however, the inner packaging has a seal. It's very lightweight and gel based consistency. It blends very soon. These are the skincare freebies. First one is Minimalist B12 Repair Complex Moisturizer. It came with a seal and it's a pink moisturizer. It's very lightweight and blends very easily. Next one is the Fixed Thermal Shadow SPF 50 in a cream variant. I'll try and make a detailed review comparison between the cream and the gel based sunscreens of this variant. Again, it has a seal on the inner packaging. It's very creamy and yet it's very lightweight. It also blends very easily. I saw many dermats have recommended this, so I want to try this. This is a very quick comparison between the gel and the cream based sunscreen. Detailed comparison review coming soon. I'm so happy that I got this Wishcare Niacinamide variant sunscreen for free. Even the freebie has come with a seal. It's very liquidy and runny formula. I already have a vitamin C variant, so I'll compare both of this and give you a detailed review soon. Moving to the body care products I purchased from Nykaa sale. First one is a Be Body Wise 1% salicylic body wash. This is a new purchase. I want to try this after hearing a lot of good reviews about it, how it helps with the body acne. Love that it came with a seal. First impression is great on this. The smell is amazing. It has very gel based consistency and it came with this small tiny blue beads which are not harsh on your skin. Moving to the next product, Wishcare Underarm Roll-On Serum in the variant Aqua. Great that it came with a seal. My first impression is not that great. The smell is not good and I'm very surprised that it's very liquidy and runny in consistency. I've been using Chemist at Play Roll-On in the same variant, but the smell is not that great. After trying for a while, I'll make a detailed comparison review of both of these variants. Moving to the hair care range, I got this L'Oreal Extraordinary Steam Pack for free. It comes with a mask and a steam cap. Next is this Moxie Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. This is an amazing product for curly and wavy hair. It's a repurchase for me. I tried it in a small size and then now I upgraded to the big variant. It's very lightweight and creamy and it really is a game changer for my hair after using this. Next one is this most viral Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. It comes in a seal and this is a repurchase for me. I have been using this for a while now. It's a glass packaging, so it comes in this cushion wrap and it's a great packaging. I love the packaging and I love the formula. It's very lightweight. This is my third bottle and really seen a growth with this hair serum. I only use it only at the places where I have thinning. I don't use it all over my hair. So it's an amazing product. Only thing is that you have to make sure that you wash your hands after using it because you shouldn't touch your face with this. Next is this L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. I do not like that they do not come in a packaging or a seal. They only just come in this bubble wrap. However, the formula is amazing. I really purchased like multiple times. They seem to have changed the pump a little bit. The formula is really amazing. I repurchased it multiple times. It is a game changer for a frizzy hair. Let's move to the makeup edition. Finally, I got my hands on this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour tinted serum, which is viral for a reason. I bought it in a shade 5 to 6 medium, which is last but one shade. However, this is the last shade. The 6 to 7 shade is little lighter than this. Only con so far is I don't like the packaging. There is no seal and this dropper is very hard to use. But the formula is amazing. It's very lightweight. It blends very easily and it gives a great coverage. It's a must purchase for the daily wear. Next is this Mars Banana Loose Powder. I've been using this since years now and I've repurchased it. I love the fact that even the small brands are giving the products in the seal. Even inner packaging has the seal. It's a banana loose powder. I do not like the white loose powder, so that's why I purchased this banana loose powder. This is great for the dusky skin tone. It comes with the sponge, and the formula is really nice. You have this yellow undertone to this, and it blends very easily and gives you an even smooth finish. Next is this Mask Cancel Concealer. The new variant came with an SPF 50, which is great. I've been using this in a shade 07. Now I repurchased in the shade 08. So this is how the shade 08 looks like, and this is how the shade 07 looks like. They are very high coverage and easily blendable concealers. I bought the dark variant for color correction. Shade 07 is a great match to me, and sometimes I can blend both of this to make a perfect match for me. Go grab these amazing deals during the sale.